Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your pickup. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here in this sign down here, and you just click on it here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, then you come here to language games. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here in this sign. So then you click here on themes. And like you see this color here show for us. That's my language here. Themes enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.